All right, what's up, guys? So here we go. First project on the Force 50. Pretty much well decided that I'm going to do this. There's a lot to do here. Not as much as I thought, actually, but it's going to be a good project. And I got a good vision for, I think, what I want to do with it in the future. So one step at a time. We tried to get it started, figured out that the fuel injection pump needed to be rebuilt. Wasn't working. It doesn't seem like it was getting fuel to the motor, and the throttle was completely unresponsive, and the stop mechanism for the engine stop was completely unresponsive too. Needless to say, the motor ran away on us. Oh man, that was funny. This thing was running it's not good for it, I'm sure, but it's a diesel, it's an '04 Lehman's. These things are built like, military uses and tractors. These things are great. So I'm first digging into my first project. I kind of don't know what I'm doing, but I kind of got some basics to it. So this ought to be interesting. So I'm starting to take stuff apart here. I got a good friend of mine that's going to come back and help me make sure everything is taken apart properly. I know there's some timing issues involved when this whole thing goes back together. So that's where we are. All right, jumping in. Taking all this stuff apart here. All right.